How to fix Microsoft Edge won't open PDF files. Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge that doesn't show you PDF files when you open them. Now, the first step would be to click the search bar and search for Control Panel. Left click that. This opens up your control panel. You go to View on the top right, click Large Icons and go to Category. In here, you want to click the green link that says Programs. The next step would be to go to Default Programs, as you can see here. And in here, you want to click Associate a file type or protocol with a program. This opens up the default apps. And at the top here, you can see enter a file type or type link. So say .pdf. There you go, click the first one. For me, it's currently Adobe Reader. You can click this. And then you can change it to Microsoft Edge and then click OK. I won't do it because it will mess up a couple of things. The next step would be to go to Edge itself. So open up in here. You want to click the three dots in the top right, click Settings. Then in here you search for PDF Documents. Enter. And now you want to scroll down until you see this yellow marked PDF Documents one. Left click that. And in here you want to have PDF View Settings, open PDFs to last viewed location when you reopen files toggled on. That's how to fix Microsoft Edge won't open PDF files. If this video helped you out, please feel like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.